Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make pot of gold rainbow truffles. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 8 ounces of cream cheese softened to room temperature, 36 Golden Oreos, and you are going to pulse those into crumbs, 12 ounces of some kind of chocolate chips. I'm using these York dark peppermint chocolates. I just thought that would be really yummy for St. Patrick's Day. And then I'm going to also use a little bit of chocolate chips because these are only 8 ounces. And then you need some food coloring. So I'm using red, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And I'm also going to make orange out of those. And then you need some sprinkles. So I'm using these gold sprinkles right here because those are going to be your gold. First, you want to mix your crushed up Oreos with your cream cheese until everything is well incorporated. That looks well incorporated, so next we are going to separate this and divide it into 6 cups or bowls evenly. Here are what my 6 colors look like, and I just mixed mine by hand. It does come off the food coloring, so don't worry about that. All of my truffles are rolled. I was able to get 44 balls. I just took a little bit of each color and rolled it in between my hands and then placed it into this bowl. And like I said, I was able to get 44, but mine are small, so if you want to make yours bigger, that is fine too. So next we're going to go ahead and melt our chocolate. My truffles are all finished and I'm going to put them in the refrigerator to help them set up. But what I did was melted my chocolate, and then using a fork, you dip each one of your rainbow truffles down in there, put them on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper, and then immediately sprinkle on your gold sprinkles on top. So like I said, we're going to put these in the refrigerator so they can set up, and then I'll show you what they look like. The truffles have all set up in the refrigerator. I even cut into one so you can see what it looks like in the middle. They are so cute. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye!